Hello everybody, and a very big welcome back to my English tropical garden, where today I'm going to be showing you some of my most favourite large leaved plants. They're must-have plants to have in a tropical garden, so if you want a tropical garden, definitely try and get some plants like these, because quite honestly they're amazing. They actually make a garden a fantastic garden. These are some of them, and I'll walk you through it. This is my Papyrifus, or Chinese paper plant. It's an amazing plant, Papyrifus rex. It is so big, it is gorgeous. I mean, look at the size of those leaves. I measured this one, and it was 3 feet across. As the plant gets bigger, the leaves will get bigger too. Spectacular plant. I mean, it's a real showstopper. Everybody comments on it. This is another one. I don't know if you call this a leaf. Really, it's a frond. This is Dicksonia antarctica, or a giant tree fern. And moving on, we have a plant with another very large leaf. This is a Gunnera Manicarter. I believe they originate from Brazil. They're quite happy here in the UK. As long as you cover up the main part or the root base during the winter months. Now the next plant I'm going to show you is one of my all-time favourites. It's an agave. Really love it hot, these do. Hot and dry. So I cover it up in the winter so it doesn't get rain on it. And it's a beautiful plant. I mean, it's just so big. Now this is a great one. Musa Bastu. Or it's a banana plant. Hardy in this country. Just wrap up the stems. I mean, look how big that is. Here I am down here, just waving. It's going to get bigger. It's going to get a lot bigger. Here we have Fatsica japonica, a lovely plant. Gives a lot of shade to a tropical garden, and it's sort of like a canopy, if you like. Brilliant, just with the sun shining through. So there we have it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. I'll see you all again next time. Here's just a few shots of my large tropical plants.